Ezra, you got your fishing pole? Okay. Don't wax sassy with it. Whoop, whoop. There's a fish on there. Don't do that, you're going to shake him off. Just reel on him. He's caught on that other line, but that's okay. Pull him on in.
I thought it was a friend.
No, it's a fish. It's a bass. Well, Tori's first fish of the year is going to be better than mine. Okay, drag him over this way.
Oh, wow.
That's a good fish. We're letting this guy go back. Okay, fish, get on out of the mud. All right, he's good. Well, that wraps up my fishing for New Year's Day. I caught one small bass and Tori caught one decent bass, and that's all. We just came out here to try and catch a couple fish. Ezra came, but he got cold, so they left. So me and Tori are wrapping up and getting out of here now. If you love fishing, please subscribe.